Lots of AI that you can get off the shelf is trained on data that anyone else also has access to, which is on the public internet. But the data that is really valuable to train AI towards use cases that you want is the data that only you have. So consequently, I think the platform approach of making Intelligence Center X the unique point of developing your own agentic solution is a really strong.
I would like to ask Sebastian, so how does Intelligence Center X help enterprises bring AI to life?
Intelligence Center X is built on the belief that AI must be driven by the needs of an individual customer, right? So you can't get all the solutions that you might need to become an agentic enterprise off the shelf. And the developments in AI are so fast that I believe that no company can afford to just wait until they become available off the shelf. So that's where the platform-centric mindset that Jont already mentioned in the previous answer really comes in, right? We want to put you in a position where you can start owning your agentic future. And that's what Intelligence Center X does. And then the value of you for use cases is really along the entire value creation lifecycle, right? So it can be in the very beginning when it helps us to be more efficient and more value driven in the way how we respond to RFQs from our customers, right? When that gives us the opportunity to win new business, and we can bring data from multiple sources together to respond faster than the competition and with a more value driven pricing than the competition. So it helps us gain new business, it helps us gain additional efficiency in engineering, especially when it's around estimating engineering changes and their impact. Right, there's so much impact if I make a design change that goes from raw material that I now maybe can't use anymore, to engineering hours consumed, to HPC cloud resources that I need for the simulation of the products, and so on. So there's so many costs that lots of companies really have a hard time estimating how much does making an engineering change really cost. Sort of business that we can win, cost efficiencies that we can drive, and then also higher sustainment and higher availability of our production operations and our factories by building our own models that are based on our unique machine data, based on the performance of our products in the field, right? Because a very important point that we've talked about before is lots of AI that you can get off the shelf is trained on data that anyone else also has access to, which is on the public internet. But the data that is really valuable to train AI towards use cases that you want is the data that only you have. So consequently, I think the platform approach of making Intelligence Center X the unique point of developing your own agentic solution is a really strong.